Welcome back to Math for Class 12 CBSE. Good morning, students. Today we start Chapter 3 Matrices. Okay, the introduction of matrices. The knowledge of the matrices is necessary of the various branches of the mathematics. Okay, the most powerful tools of mathematics of matrices. Matrix notation and operation are used in electronic spreadsheets program for personal computer. Okay. This term is used in different areas of the business and science is like budgeting and sales projection, cost estimation, analyzing of resulting of the experiment, etc. Okay. So now the definition of the matrix. Definition of the matrix. A matrix. A matrix is an ordered rectangular array, okay, of numbers or elements or function. Numbers or function. The number of function number or means one use numbers or function are called the element or entry of the matrix. This is the definition of matrix. Okay, this is denoted by capital letters. For example, A, B, C, dot, so on. Okay, and this matrix A equal this A11 first row first column, A12 so on, A21 A22 so on, A31 A32 so on, A1n A2n A3n so on, AM1 M2 so on, Mn is called a matrix. This is a column. C means column, C2 dot Cn, and this type row means R, R1 R2 R3 dot so on, Rn by n. Only n row, m column. Clear? And the order, next definition, order of matrix. Order of matrix. A matrix having m row and n column is called a order of matrix. A order of matrix. Clear? Is denoted by m by n. Okay, you can say m by n. Okay, this denoted. For example, this also given to order. This A11 A12 A21 A22. This is a two row R1 and R2 and C1 and C2 So this 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2, you can say 2 by 2. This read 2 by 2, not 2 multiply 2. Okay, 2 by 2 matrix. And this is A, and A you can say equal to A I J, I row or J column. First row, second column. Column row this side or column vertical direction. Horizontal side row and vertical side column. And next, types of matrices. Types of matrices. First, number row matrix. Row matrices. Okay, matrix. A matrix. A matrix is to be a, is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row, that is this type, A11, A12, so on. A1n is a row matrix. This is a row. Okay, this is a row matrix, has only one row. Okay, no. And number 2, column matrix. Column matrix, a matrix, same definition, is said to be a column matrix if it has only one column. Okay, that is 1 2 3 is a column matrix. Next definition, number 3, square matrix. Important question, important definition, square matrix. A matrix is said to be a square matrix if in which the number of row are equal to the number of column. Okay, let A is the matrix 1 2 3 6 8 9 1 3 5 is called a square matrix. Okay, R1, R2 and R3, C1, C2 and C3. This 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, is called a square matrix. Next, diagonal matrix. Important topic, diagonal matrix. This is a already definition you can ask in the board examination and any other, and viva way. A diagonal matrix, a square matrix. Diagonal matrix, a square matrix and connectivity to each other. Square matrix is a diagonal. A square matrix is said to be to be a diagonal matrix if all its non diagonal elements. This point clear? Elements are 0 means this diagonal element are different, but the other element of matrix is 0. This suppose A 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C. This is right. A B C are different. Minus plus minus. Okay, plus minus plus minus plus minus. You can take the value of diagonal elements, but other elements are 0. This is a diagonal element. Clear? And next, number 5. Definition number 5. Scalar matrix. Scalar matrix means a diagonal matrix, but these elements are same, is called a scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix. Okay, scalar matrix if its diagonal elements are same, means equal element. Okay, same. Let that A matrix equal to this A 0 0 0 A 0 0 0 A is a scalar matrix. Element value are same, not 1 1. Okay, same value. A is not equal to 1. A is not equal to 1. If A equal to 1 is a identity matrix. Clear? So A is not equal to 1 are different less than equal to or not equal to 0 and 1. Okay, and 6 identity matrix mostly used in the identity matrix in a matrix. A square matrix, है ना? A scalar matrix, you can say is a scalar matrix. The each element of diagonal are 1 is called a identity matrix. Or second definition, a square matrix, a scalar matrix is said to be a identity matrix if its diagonals element are 1. We can say. A scalar matrix, right. A scalar matrix is said to be a identity matrix if its all element, if its diagonal, this diagonal elements are 1. Okay, 1 is denoted by A equal to, you कह सकते हो A equal to 1, right? This the then A is a identity matrix denoted, identity matrix is denoted by capital I. This I equal to this 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, which is the identity matrix. 1 1 1. Okay, identity matrix. Clear? This is identity matrix. 1 1 1. The other term are 0, called a identity matrix. Next, zero matrix. Zero matrix. Zero matrix. Zero matrix, all elements are zero, is called a matrix said to be a zero matrix. Non-matrix are non-matrix. Is said to be a zero matrix. Zero matrix. Okay, all null matrix or null matrix. You can null matrix if it all element its all elements are zero. Only this A equal to this 0 0 0 0. Okay, and B equal to 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 are all elements. They so on are elements. Equality. Next heading, equality. Equality of matrices. Matrices. Two matrix matrices A and B, and A equal to Aij and B equal to Bij. I means row and J equal to column, right? So two are said to be equal, are said to be equal matrices if number one, they are of same order. Number two, each element of A is equal to the corresponding elements of B, that is Aij equal to Bij. Clear? A equal to, so then matrix A equal to B. Okay, next come to the exercise 3.1. Example number 5, very important question. Number 1, exercise question number 1. Question 1. In the matrix A equal 2 5 19 minus 7 35 minus 2 5 upon 2 and 12 under root 3 1 minus 5 and 17. Number first, find the order of the matrix. The order of the matrix. Okay, matrix, a matrix 1 2 3. Okay, 3 row, and then after column 1 2 3 4, this order, 3 by 4 order. Okay, second part, the number of elements. The number of elements. The number of elements कितने होंगे इसके भाई? Can say find it. Number of elements, 3 4 जा 12. 1 can 12, right? And already find next part, exercise. Third part, write the element elements A13 equal to 2 1 1 3 1 1 1 2 and 1 3 equal to 19, and 1 2 1 2 1, second row first column, second row first column, second row this, first column 35. Okay, and next A33 means third row third column, third row and third column 1 2 3, this minus 5, and A24 second row fourth column, this 4 12, and 23 A23 second row 3, this 5 by 2. Get your answer. Okay, and solve question number 2. 2 and 3 are same, 4 and 5 same, 6 and 7 are same. So in a matrix has 24 element, 24 elements. A matrix have 24 elements. What are the possible order? Possible order means their factor of 24. So 1 into 24 means 1 row and 24 columns can make a matrix. Okay, and 2 into 12 24, and 3 into 8 24, and 4 into 6, and next 6 into 4, and 8 into 3, and 12 into 2, and 24 into 1. Clear? This time at 1 into 24 and 24 row and 1 row column, you can make a matrix. Clear? So this is the possible order, right? If what is the has 13 element, element 13, then equal to 1 into 1 row 13 and 13 into 1. 13 is also prime number, no? 1 into 13, 13 into 1, 1 by 13 and 13 by 1. Only two matrix are make it. Okay, and question number 3, this type question you can solve. And question number 4 or 5 you can choose, and 4 question. First part. Okay, first part, Aij equal to 1i plus j whole square upon 2. Okay, find construct 2 by 2. Construct 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix, then make a matrix Aij, this equal to Okay, I equal to 1 and row 1 and row column 1 1, a 1 2 and a 2 1 and a 2 2 is called a 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2 square matrix. So putting I equal to a 1 1 means I equal to 1, j equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 whole square upon 2. 2 square upon 2 equal to 2. A12 second element. This I equal to 1 and j equal to 1 and j equal to 2 upon 2, this is square. 3 square by 2 equal to 9 by 2. A13 2 1. I equal to 2 j equal to 1 whole square upon 2. 3 square by 2 equal to 9 upon 2. Then A22 2 row 2 column square upon 2. 4 square upon 2. 16 upon 2 equal to 8. Putting in above. So matrix Aij equal to A11 equal to 2, A12 equal to 9 upon 2 and 9 upon 2, this 8. That's your answer. You can make it Ijk equal to given with 2 by 2 matrix, I1 or J1 I12, this find the matrix. Okay, this is a formula of matrix and putting this, and you can solve other part of question number 4 and same question number 5 have 2 parts and 6 and 7 are same question. So let 6 or 7 question. 6 very simple question, can solve. Here are board level question, example 5 and question number 7 and 6. 3 questions are important for board examination. Question, find the value of ABC, ABCD. Okay, and given matrix are from the equation, this given matrix, this given matrix, A minus B, 2A plus C, 2A minus B and 3C plus D, this equal to minus 1, 5, 0 and 13. This condition are equal matrix. This matrix are equal matrix, and definition by equal matrix, each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. Clear? So this equal to this, position are position, first to first, second to second, third to third, fourth to fourth. Okay, so therefore this type question, A minus B equal to minus 1 and 2A plus C equal to 5, 2A minus B equal to 0 and 3C plus D equal to 13. Okay, can solve. So this 2A minus B equal to 0 or A minus B equal to minus 1, subtract minus and plus this plus, cancel this 2A minus A equal to 1, A equal to 1, putting in, and to 1 minus B equal to minus 1, to 1 plus 1 equal to B, 2 equal to B, B equal to 2, and putting 2A, A into 1 plus C equal to 5, A equal to 1, then C equal to 5 minus 2 equal to 3, and 3 into C, then C equal to 3, and putting C equal to 3 plus D equal to 13, then D equal to 13 minus 9 equal to 4. Therefore A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3 and D equal to 4. That your answer. Okay, any solve question? You can solve and exercise 3.1. okay, and revise and homework. Question number is question number only 3. Question number 3, 4 second part and third part. Okay, second part and third part. Question number 5 all part, first and second. And sixth question number, all part, first, second, third, first, second and third. Okay, third, clear? First, second, third part. Okay, thank you.